Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix JDM Japanese Drift Master game crashing, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PS5. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on the PlayStation button on controller. Then select power button and then select restart PS5. Once your PS5 restarts, now try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next solution is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5. Now hold down the power button unless two beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select a rebuild database. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. If not, next solution is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available. After updating the game to the latest version, now try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next method is to delete game's save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now select save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select the game, and after that check whether you can play it or not. If not, next solution is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings on your PS5 first, then tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error whether it's resolved or not. If not, next solution is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, again go to settings on your PS5, then click on network, then click on settings, then click on setup and network connection. Here click on options. Now under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next method is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, then go to system. Here select language option in the left sidebar. Now select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, next method is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down before using it. Hopefully this will try to resolve the issue on your PS5. If not, next solution is to restore licenses. For that, open settings on your PS5, then click on users and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select the game, that is JDM Japanese Drift Master, and then click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. If not, next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, go to settings on your PS5 first, then select system. Now go to system software, then click on system software update and settings. After that, select update system software if there is any update available, and finally select update using internal option. Once you have done this, check if the game is opening or not. If not, next solution is to reinstall JDM Japanese Drift Master game. So for that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and then install the game once again to check if the error is fixed now. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So the last method is to take help from the support team. When nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link I have already provided in the description. You just have to explain the issue you are coming across while playing the game on your PS5, and hopefully the support team will try to resolve it so that you can play the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.